Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I have filmed a video, but that's okay. We're gonna get past it. Charlie is in here with me filming in my beauty room because she's been doing this new thing to where everywhere I goes, she goes. And when we first got her, she didn't do that. She kind of just stayed downstairs. She wouldn't really come up here at all. And like when I get ready in the mornings, she would always just stay in our bedroom and just stay in bed. But now she will come in my beauty room with me, and I have a chair on like behind all of my filming stuff right now that she sits in, and every time I'm in here she just stays in here with me, and it's really cute. But I might end up having to take her collar off if she's messing around too much. Anyways, that is not what this video is about. Sorry if the background to this is not permanent, what's happening behind me, because I have recently moved my beauty room into where our bedroom was. So we've swapped rooms, and I'll talk about that in a vlog okay, so I'm filming the vlog right now, so it's kind of weird to talk about it, but that video is already up, so I will link it down below. But let's just get into what this video is about, because this is ridiculous. You've already clicked on the title, so you already know basically why you're here. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. I'm going to be doing a makeup look swatch, kind of like first impression review kind of situation on this new palette from a brand called Alter Ego. And they are a brand new brand. They only have one product, which is the product I'm about to talk about. It's their first product launch. They kindly sent this product to me in exchange for me to do an honest video on it. So that is what I'm gonna do for you. So I kind of just want to like show you how it comes. I broke into it because I was very excited when it got here. But it comes in this box, and then on the front it says Unleash Your Inner Temptress, which is really cute because that's the name of the palette, is Temptress. And then it comes in this cute little gold like package. And it's actually really cool because they also sent me some brushes. So I am gonna go through and talk about kind of like about just like give you like a little background on the brand. So they sent me a little card in it as well that says about their story. They basically are a discounted, not discounted because it's, I mean, they charge full price for their products, but they basically make cheaper versions of really high-end expensive makeup. You guys know that I'm all for that kind of stuff. So when they reached out to me and asked me if they could send me their first product palette in exchange for a video, I was like, heck yes, because I just love brands like that. So they, it says, we listen to the makeup community. We listen to what the makeup community wants to create products for every lifestyle and personality, reflecting the true alter ego in all of us, which is so cute. Yeah, so just like a few like points to this product. It does retail for $16. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, all that good stuff. This is, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is the palette. It's called Temptress. So cute. It's like red velvet, like the picture on the box is like a red, not velvet, a red satin like sheet, like bunched up. Super cute. And this is supposed to be a dupe for the ANASTASIA Sultry palette. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on that, I suggest, and it comes with one of these, which is always good. I suggest checking this out because look at that. It's so freaking beautiful. I'm also going to pop up a picture on the screen in a second that shows what the Sultry palette looks like in case you don't know. So yeah, I am going to be doing a makeup look with that today. I'm going to be swatching a few of the shades that I don't necessarily use. So yeah, I'm very excited. I really want this palette to be good. It also comes with a really, really decent sized mirror, and it's actually a really good mirror. Mirrors and eyeshadow palettes to me are always a good thing. So, and they kindly gave me a discount code for you guys. If you just use my name in all caps, Lacie, you get 15% off of your purchase. So this palette's only 16 bucks, and then you can use my code and get 15% off. And for a limited time only, they are doing free shipping, and you get the brush set with your palette. So I mean, honestly, you can't even beat that. So I'm really hoping these brushes are good. I really hope this palette is good. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and all that good stuff. I know I look kind of weird. I know I didn't even like point out the fact that I just have like my base on, like bold brows, full face of base products, and no eyes. So yes, I just wanted this video to be like completely 100% nothing but the look that I'm going to be doing with the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in. And I have a little guy right here that's trying to come say hi, but we don't like him, so this is really up close and personal. And the lighting is weird because I was filming and the sun has gone down, like it just went down. It's kind of like weird looking in here. I need to paint the walls so they're not so yellow looking, and it's just a whole situation that I'm gonna work on at a different time. So, ooh, it's so pretty. I think I'm just gonna take this color called Lace. It's like they named this after me. And it's just like a really pretty like a bone color shade, and I'm just gonna like go over. Let me make sure there's nothing on this brush. I'm just gonna go over my concealer and stuff. I could really go any way with this palette right now. Boom. All right, first color. Did good. I don't even know where to begin. Like, I don't even know what look I'm gonna do. I think I want to go like bronzy, like chocolatey. I think that's where I want to go. I haven't done like a dark, like bronzy, sparkly, like smoky eye in a really long time. So I think that's the vibe I'm going with today. So first, I'm going to go in with the color Lust. And it's just a beautiful, like camel, yellowy brown color. Oh, it looks so good. So first thing that I'm noticing is there is no kickback. There isn't, I mean, there's a little bit of kickback, but like, if you can see, I dipped my brush in there pretty good. And there's like barely any kick up. Like if you can see around the pan, there's no kick up. So that's always a plus. And even when there is a little bit of kick up, I mean, that's just the price you pay for good shadows. Because if something's packed too hard into the pan where there's no kickback, then it doesn't have good pigment most of the time. So that is not a problem with me. I'm just going to be taking that on my Morphe M441 brush. Charlie, what you doing? Come here. Come here. Taking her collar off of her because that's just too much. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking that on my Morphe M441 brush. What are you sniffing at? And just buff that into my crease. That's pretty pigmented. That is pretty good. I am not gonna lie. That is pretty good. That color built up so nicely. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, I get so freaking happy when affordable makeup is just good. Like, I just get so freaking excited. Okay, well that blended like a freaking dream. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm going to take a little bit more of that lace color because there's not really another transition color, and just kind of buff that around. I'm gonna try not to use any other eyeshadows except for the ones in this palette. And that's like the only transition-y shade they have in there. They don't really have anything else to like buff out the harshness. So I'll just go back in with that lace color that we laid down on our lid, just to kind of diffuse everything. Wow, that looks so good. Yay for new good makeup. Okay, so now that we have that first initial color down, and I am so impressed with that. Like, I am so freaking impressed. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the color After Hours, and it's this really dark chocolatey brown color. It looks so nice. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna put that on my outer corner and blend it and kind of blend it forward, but I'm not really gonna take it into my crease, I don't think. And I'm gonna be using my M443 brush. This is the true test. That's pretty pigmented. I like that there's a really, really white shade, and I know this is like inspired by the Anastasia palette, but I like that there is a light color and a black. So there's like basically a flat white color and then a black. So like you can do so many different things with this palette. So now I'm going to go back in with that Lust shade. Kind of just like buff everything together in the crease so that there's No harsh lines, and everything is really just diffused together and really blown out and beautiful. So now I'm gonna go with a little more of a defined brush. This is just my Aesthetica, the one that I got that's kind of like really, it's like a liner brush, but it's really thick, and I'm gonna take that same color, After Hours, and just run this really close to my lash line. Kind of bring it upward. I'm not going to carve out my crease. I'm just going to lay some concealer down. Lay some concealer down. So far, these shadows are good, guys. So far, they are good. Now that I have done that, I don't know what color I want to go in with yet. I don't know if I want to go in with this color right here, which is kind of like a white gold. Kind of like more of like a bronzy gold in the shade Guilt, or if I want to go in with Ritz, which is kind of like a champagne-y kind of gold. And then there's Mistress, which is kind of like a chocolatey kind of like cool tone gold, or if I want to go in with Desire, which is like a red bronzy kind of gold. I think I'm going to end up going in with Ritz, and I'm going to spray it, of course. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Just gonna go in. So pretty. And I'm using my MAC 242 brush. That color is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, that color is so freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so in love. So now I'm going to take that same brush that I just used last to do my outer corner and just do it again. Kind of blend and sandwich together that shimmery shade. I'm obsessed right now. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I am just going to take the colors that I just used. So I'm going to start off with Lust, smudge that all on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take After Hours and kind of just do, and I really quickly just wanted to say that I didn't have like any fallout on my face. I mean, like a little bit, but nothing that I can't just wipe away. So I'm going to take Lust, smudge that, then I'm going to take After Hours and put that on my outer corner and just kind of blend all that out, and then we will be done. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and try to finish this video because my camera just said that it was, the internal temperature was too high, and you know I hate that. So while my camera was cooling off for a second, like I said, I just put Lust on my lower lash line, and then I smudged out After Hours on the outer corner, and then did Lust again to kind of like buff all that together. I also added an inner corner highlight, which was the shade Seduction. So it's this one right here, really pretty champagne pink color. I'm actually, as you can tell, I don't have on any highlight. I think I'm actually going to try that as a highlight to see what it would look like. So let's see. Oh, very pretty. Extremely pretty. Oh, he's not here. Wow. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? My face is so textured right now. I can't even handle it. Wow, that is so pretty. As I'm seeing with like putting this brush into the pan, it has a little bit more kick up than the mattes, if that makes sense. And I also just added some mascara. Obviously, I was going to put on lashes, but I'm literally just going to take this makeup off right after I film this video. So, yeah, I just decided to skip the lashes for today. Now I'm going to set everything in place, and I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I could not live without setting spray. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Alright, you guys, so that is actually it for this video. I just want to say really quick that my eye look, I'm obsessed with it. I never do kind of like bronzy, like darker smoky eyes, but I'm like actually living for this one. I just wanted to say really quickly that this palette is definitely worth the money. 16 bucks, and you basically get the Anastasia Sultry palette. I have never used that palette before. I've never used actually any palette from ABH. I'm not really into eyeshadow palettes. Like when I go to Sephora, I'm going there for foundation or primer or setting spray or brow stuff. Like when I don't get excited about eyeshadow palettes from like Sephora and stuff. Like I'm all about some affordable eyeshadow palettes. Like the NYX eyeshadow palettes are good. I love palettes like this, like, and Hush sells a bunch, and I love Morphe. Like, I just like affordable eyeshadow palettes, and I'm just not a big eyeshadow palette girl, but this is so good. I highly recommend this palette. The packaging, it seems very luxurious. It's heavy. It says, all the ingredients and stuff on the back. There's 14 shades in it. It's cruelty-free. It's paraben-free. It's inexpensive. Like there's just not enough good things that I can say about it. I didn't swatch all of the shadows, but I will be doing a swatch video, kind of like a mini little video on my Instagram. If you guys want to see that, I'll have my Instagram link down below, as well as their Instagram I'll have linked below, their website. Like I said, this palette is 16 bucks, but I have a discount code for you guys. So if you just use Lacie in all caps, it'll be right here. Lacie in all caps, and that will get you 15% off. Plus, like I said, for a limited time only, they are doing free shipping and a free brush kit with that. So, very exciting. I had so much fun filming this video. I just want to say thank you to Alter Ego again for sending me this palette. That was so generous of them. And yeah. So, I have concealer all over my hand. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and chilling with me, and whatever. But I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I didn't put on a lip product. What the hell is wrong with me? I need to get it together. Let's do truffle teas. Why not? Jesus Christ. Okay. Now we're good. I can't believe I forgot to put on a lip color. Okay. So now that completes this video. See ya. Look how white my arm looks. Can you tell that I just tanned my upper body? I need to go.